In recent years, technology has transformed various sectors, and agriculture is one of the most impacted. Among the innovations revolutionizing fieldwork, drones stand out for their versatility and precision. They allow farmers to view their land in new ways, capturing data and information that was previously difficult to obtain. In today's video, we will explore how drones are changing modern agriculture, increasing productivity, reducing costs, and above all, helping to make agriculture more sustainable for the future. One of the main applications of drones in agriculture is field mapping and crop monitoring. With high-resolution cameras, these drones can capture detailed images of large areas within minutes. By flying over the fields, they generate precise maps, showing plant development and identifying areas with potential problems, such as planting gaps or signs of water stress. This information enables farmers to make informed decisions and adjust management according to the real needs of each area, enhancing efficiency and productivity in the field. Efficient water management is one of the biggest challenges in modern agriculture, especially in a context of climate change and water scarcity. Drones emerge as an innovative solution, equipped with advanced sensors that can detect slight variations in soil moisture across the fields. By flying over and capturing detailed data, drones can map areas that need irrigation and those with excess moisture. This means that farmers no longer need to irrigate evenly. Now they can direct water precisely and strategically. With regular monitoring, drones can also identify patterns across different seasons, allowing farmers to plan irrigation in advance and adapt water use according to the needs of each crop. This process not only reduces waste, but also prevents issues like waterlogging, which can lead to soil erosion and impact plant health. By applying these targeted irrigation methods, producers save financial resources and preserve one of agriculture's most precious assets, water. In the long term, this approach significantly contributes to more sustainable agriculture, especially in drought-prone areas, fostering a more harmonious relationship between agricultural production and the environment. The precise application of fertilizers and pesticides is essential for crop success and environmental preservation. Drones are transforming this task, allowing a much more targeted and efficient approach. Equipped with advanced spraying systems, drones can apply chemicals only to areas that genuinely need them, reducing the total amount of inputs used. This means that instead of spraying the entire field, farmers can focus on zones that show greater needs, reducing waste and saving on production costs. These drones can fly low and distribute fertilizers and pesticides uniformly, even in areas difficult to access with traditional machinery. Additionally, they perform this task quickly, covering large areas within minutes and without operators having direct contact with chemicals, enhancing work safety in the field. Another significant benefit is the potential to reduce environmental impact. With fewer chemicals being used, the risk of soil and water resource contamination decreases, benefiting local biodiversity. This practice, known as precision agriculture, not only protects the environment, but also meets the growing demand for more sustainable and responsible agricultural practices. As this technology advances, drones are becoming increasingly efficient, allowing modern agriculture to benefit from more economical and environmentally friendly production. With this innovation, farmers can achieve the ideal balance between productivity and environmental responsibility, an important step for the future of agriculture. Plant health analysis is crucial for agricultural productivity, and drones have revolutionized this practice with their advanced cameras and sensors. Equipped with multispectral cameras, they can capture information beyond what is visible to the naked eye, identifying stress signals in plants before they become noticeable. This feature allows farmers to detect diseases, pests, and nutrient deficiencies at an early stage, giving them a significant advantage to act quickly. By flying over fields, these drones capture detailed images that reveal the variability of each plant and area. For instance, if a plant is nitrogen deficient, its chlorophyll index will be lower, something the drone cameras can identify. With this data, farmers can adjust fertilizer usage and control pests precisely, ensuring that only the plants that truly need treatment receive it. Furthermore, regular monitoring with drones allows farmers to track crop development throughout the seasons and see how different factors, such as climate and soil, affect plant health. This not only helps prevent losses, but also contributes to a more predictable and productive growth cycle. With this technology, farmers can improve their productivity and reduce input usage, promoting a more sustainable agricultural practice. Ultimately, plant health analysis with drones becomes an essential tool for precision agriculture, helping producers maintain healthy crops and ensure high-quality harvests. This process, besides protecting the environment, increases the profitability and sustainability of agricultural production, creating a positive outlook for the future. Automation, time savings, and labor reduction. Modern agriculture constantly faces challenges regarding labor and the time required to manage large planting areas. This is where drones come in as an automated solution that transforms daily field operations. By performing tasks such as crop monitoring, plant health analysis, and the precise application of fertilizers and pesticides, drones allow farmers to save valuable time. With just a few flights per day, these machines cover large areas quickly and efficiently, eliminating the need for time-consuming and repetitive manual inspections. Imagine the time and effort it would take to manually inspect an entire field. With drones, this can be done in a fraction of the time, freeing workers for more specialized and strategic tasks. Additionally, automation allows operations to be performed at more flexible times, regardless of weather conditions or terrain, ensuring much greater control over planning and the field activity schedule. Another benefit is the reduced reliance on seasonal labor, which decreases operational costs and logistical challenges. Instead of relying on large teams during specific times of the year, the farmer can rely on drone technology to maintain a consistent, efficient routine with lower costs. This automation also brings the advantage of increased precision. With data collected and analyzed automatically, farmers can make more informed decisions based on real-time, updated information. This level of precision not only increases productivity, but also enhances sustainability, as the use of inputs and resources is optimized. Ultimately, the automation brought by drones creates a more agile, efficient agriculture ready for future challenges. Sustainability is one of the major goals of modern agriculture, and drones are playing a fundamental role in promoting more responsible and environmentally conscious farming practices. With the help of this technology, farmers can reduce the use of chemicals such as fertilizers and pesticides, applying them more precisely and only where it is genuinely necessary. This minimizes soil and water resource contamination, protecting local biodiversity and ecosystems around cultivated areas. In addition to controlled input application, drones help monitor water usage by identifying areas where irrigation is needed and those that are already saturated. Thus, farmers can use water more efficiently, preserving this valuable and essential resource for ecological balance. In regions where water scarcity is a reality, this technology directly contributes to conservation and allows agriculture to adapt to challenging environmental conditions. Another important aspect is that drones help reduce carbon emissions, as they enable detailed analysis and monitoring of large areas without the use of heavy agricultural vehicles. They reduce the need for fuel-consuming machinery. This reduction in the use of heavy machinery not only conserves energy, but also helps maintain healthier soil, preventing compaction that can reduce the soil's ability to absorb water and nutrients. Overall, the positive environmental impact provided by drones transforms agriculture into a more sustainable practice aligned with future needs. By adopting these technologies, farmers are not only improving their efficiency, but also preserving the environment for future generations. In a world increasingly concerned with sustainability, the use of drones in agriculture is proof of how innovation can bring real benefits for both production and the planet. As technology advances, the role of drones in agriculture is only expected to grow, becoming increasingly indispensable for farmers around the world. From precise crop monitoring to water management and efficient input application, drones are transforming the way we cultivate food, bringing more productivity and sustainability to the field. However, we are only beginning to explore the full potential of this technology. In the future, we can expect even more sophisticated drones with enhanced artificial intelligence capable of performing real-time analysis and automatically adapting to the needs of each crop. Imagine a system where drones communicate directly with other agricultural devices, creating a fully integrated and automated ecosystem. This would open new possibilities for optimizing resource use, reducing costs, and minimizing environmental impact. With the global need to produce food more efficiently and sustainably, drones represent an important step toward the agriculture of the future. They provide farmers with a powerful tool to address the challenges of climate change, resource scarcity, and the growing demand for food. As we conclude this video, we hope you now have a clearer view of how drone technology is changing the agricultural landscape and helping to build a more sustainable future. If you enjoyed this content and would like to follow more about the future of agriculture and other technological innovations, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. Thank you for watching and see you next time.